Tutorial 9. External Meeting Links. How to create external meetings using Zoom and Google Meet. Go to www.zoom.com on your computer. Sign in to your Zoom account. Click on Schedule. Give your Zoom meetings a title. Change recurrence to No Fixed Time. Select Personal Meeting ID and enable Waiting Room. Choose whether you want your Zoom meetings to start with video on or off. Note down the meeting ID and passcode. Copy the meeting link. Then click Save. To update your package's meeting type, go to Account, Packages, then swipe the package you want to edit to the left. Change meeting type to External. Then, paste your Zoom link and type the meeting ID and passcode. Tap on Update Package to save your changes.
Go to www.meet.google.com on your computer. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Meet account. Click on New Meeting. Select Create a Meeting for later. Copy the meeting link. To update your package's meeting type, go to Account, Packages, then swipe the package you want to edit to the left. Change meeting type to External. Then, paste your Google Meet link. Tap on Update Package to save your changes.
Remember, always sign into Zoom or Google Meet on your computer or mobile device before your session starts using the same accounts you used to create your external meeting link. Download Telehearts now and discover a new path to the arts of healthcare and wellness.